Hi folks, it's David from Tool School, and I'd like to talk to you about disaster preparedness. Today we're going to talk about the quick reaction emergency preparedness go bag. Essentially this is something you have by your side inside the house, and you grab and go. It's already prepared with everything you need, and it could mean the difference between life and death for your family. I'm going to go into a bit more detail with the contents of my bag. We'll start out with money, both bill and coin. Bills, make sure you don't have big bills because no one's going to give you change in an emergency. Also for vending machines, many vending machines will take $1 bills. That. Something to write with, something to write on, something to write with. Pencils don't run out of ink, but I do like having a Sharpie. Write in rain is rainproof pad, so you can leave a note for someone. You can also write important information down. Flashlight, not important what you have. This pen light works, a headlamp, but what I do is I reverse the battery so it can't accidentally be turned on and worthless when you need it. A compass. I like to have my compass in that bag because then it doesn't get scratched. A burner phone with cable so you can recharge it. Burner phone needs to have phone numbers, important phone numbers in it. A Mylar blanket for emergency warmth. Arguably the most important piece of kit in here, looks innocuous. I will talk to you about it later. This is a information list. Folder knife. Trauma shears, just another tool I like to have. And speaking of that, a Leatherman. Any multi-tool will work, but you have the ability to have pliers, knife, screwdriver, etc. Make fire, man, like make fire. Eat it. In the large compartment, I have a first aid kit. This happens to be a Focus brand, but you can make any kind of kit you want. It's important for me to have a hat, don't like my head getting sunburned. Glasses. For me, my vision is not all that bad, but life is so much better when I have my glasses. But if I had really bad vision, think you're useless if you can't see. Vital to have a pair of glasses. Something I don't have in here, I do not take prescription medications, but if you do, you need to have a bit of medication in your bag. This next one is not for everyone, but I have a pistol in my bag. So, pistol, extra magazine, and another extra magazine in here. This Maxpedition VersaPack bag has the ability to carry a holster inside here. So that's where my pistol goes. So that is everything in my bag. And so wrapping up this edition, wanted to let you know what this bag is for. This bag is for a rapid exit from your house. Whether you're going to run out the front door, get in your vehicle, and maybe come back very quickly, or just you're gone. The house is a total loss. This bag is meant to keep you and your family safe and thriving for hours. That's the max. There's no food, there's no water, anything else in there. But remember I told you about that one thing that I was going to elaborate on, and that is very important. It's in a Ziploc bag. It's just a piece of paper, but the information on that paper could be vital. So what it has on there is my credit card, both sides, and my driver's license. Why both sides of the credit card is because on the back of your credit card typically has that 3-digit confirmation number, but also it has the phone number to your bank or your credit card company. You might want to talk to them. They might want to know what's going on, making funny charges, or you might have to call them to verify that it's you because you don't have the actual credit card. Also on there are phone numbers. Even though you put your phone numbers into the emergency phone inside, now you've got them in a written form and you can always use them. So thank you again for listening to this edition in the series, this rapid emergency preparedness go bag. Will be others in the series, and you can find out more information on toolschool.com. Thanks again. Be prepared, be safe.